We're in Copenhagen for DTW23, and I'm here with Menachem Konorty. He is Head of OSS and Network Product Management at Amdocs. Menachem, great to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. Now, what is Amdocs highlighting at this year's DTW?
So this year, like every year, we are Diamond sponsor and very happy to be taking part in many activities across the board, focusing on automation and exposure. Personally, I'm very delighted and proud to have a session together with VodafoneZiggo. We are talking about their NAS project, Network as a Service, and how we evolve it and how we jointly turn this vision into reality. We are also taking part in 3 catalysts, very interesting ones around network exposure, with AT&T, with Orange, with Team Italy, Telefónica, Microsoft, and many others. This is where we are showcasing how we take network exposure and APIs and enable it to be consumed by multiple consumption channels, expose performance and observability, insights from the network, order dedicated connectivity on the fly, and expose all of it as in a hyperscaler marketplace. So really interesting parts we are taking part in. And we are also running a session with the STL partners. We had a comprehensive research with them around 4 key pillars of the network: cloud, data, automation, and exposure. So a lot of excitement, a lot of activities this year.
Now, you've got a pretty big stand here and lots of Amdocs people here to talk to customers, but you've got some new faces as part of the team, haven't you, as part of an acquisition that you completed earlier this year?
Yeah, indeed. Good catch there. We have our Helix friends. We acquired the service assurance business and framework from TEOCO, and we are now embedding it into our next generation offering. We worked with Helix before, service assurance as a partner, but now we have it in-house. Assurance is key in the whole automation story for end-to-end lifecycle management, insights of data coming from the network, connecting the insights with customer and OSS other products. We are integrating already this year and in this event our orchestration and inventory, and we are discussing with our customers closed loop operation, how to ensure the SLA committed to the customers, and how to introduce AIOps and address cost saving, which is very relevant these days, in automating the operations. So really happy to have our Helix friends here in DTW with us.
And as for the themes at this year's DTW, are they aligning with what you're seeing in the industry?
Very aligned, Rick. Everything I talked about is addressed in this event as the key themes of DTW this year. So we're happy to see we are aligned on what we are building, our vision, our roadmap, and the projects we are taking with our customers, with the industry themes. A lot about network automation, a lot about exposure. We are actually, beyond VodafoneZiggo that I mentioned, we have many other customers and opportunities where we are discussing and implementing end-to-end service orchestration, bring it together with the lifecycle management of an active inventory, dynamic inventory, and connecting the assurance and closed-loop operation, not only for network as a service, but also for enterprise services, SD-WAN, connectivity plus 5G, slicing, cloud, edge orchestration, a lot of use cases. By the way, a lot of it is powered by TMF standards, and it's great to see the TMF standards coming to life in this type of project. The TMF open APIs for provisioning, for ordering, for querying data, for service qualification, the TMF ODA program, which is a lot about the architecture and how to build the right cloud-native architecture, autonomous network program, and many other good stuff we are incorporating into our standardized way of working.
Well, lots to talk about to customers this week.
Definitely. Full agenda, very busy, very happy.
Menachem, thanks very much for joining us and telling us about what Amdocs is doing at DTW23.
Thank you. Thank you very much.